Alright, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a jumping game. So, go ahead and get a when green flag clicked. Shocking, I know. And now we'll make a new variable. Okay, it's not funny anymore. Stop it. Stop! Oh, that's better. So, make a new variable and call it speed y for the sprite only. Now, when green flag clicked, set speed y to 0. Make a new sprite, and this will be the ground, whatever you want to call it. And we'll call it level. Now, we'll go into the cat and set speed y to 0. Forever, change speed y by -1. Change y by speed y. But then, if touching level, we'll go ahead and make a new custom block and call it ground, like leveling, or just like go to top, because it's going to the top of the level. So, now, define go to block. Set speed y to 0, and repeat until not touching level, change y by 1. So, as you can see, and now we'll just have the cat, when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. And as you can see, you might want to make the y a little bigger, so you can see he falls and then lands. And so now, for jumping, go ahead and go into the forever loop and drag an if key space pressed or mouse down to jump. Then it will set speed y to, let's say, 12. There we go. I think he jumps a bit high though, so find the one that works for you. Now, right now he can jump even when he's in the air, and that can't happen. So go ahead and take the if mouse down script and put it inside the repeat until. Now you can only jump when he's on the ground. Now, for the obstacles, create a new sprite and just make it like a spike or whatever you want the obstacle to be. To make a spike, you select one of the corners and delete it, and then take this and then just make it into a spike. So now, for the spike, when green flag clicked, create clone of myself. So, when, and then it will forever go to and put it at the edge of the screen this way. There we go. Forever, go to right here, glide 2 seconds to right here, and then as you can see, yay, why isn't it going? That's weird, but anyways, when I start as clone, we'll go ahead and put that script there as well. Hey, it didn't set it to the place where it is. It didn't like automatically set. Usually it does that. That's weird. Okay, well, anyways, I'm gonna do it again now because Scratch is being annoying. So go to right there and glide 1 second to about right here. There we go. But 1 second is a bit fast. So let's actually change it to 2 seconds. I think that's good. Now, when I start as clone, it's gonna wait 1 second. It has to wait half of that. So now, and you can put a hide and then show after it waits. Now, one last thing. Sprite collision with the spikes. So, let's go into the forever loop and drag an if touching sprite 1 or spike, then it will stop. So if we touch it, then bonk. Now, go into the spike. After it glides, it should change to a different thing. So just grab a next costume, and now we can put whatever costumes we want. We can even put things like this. And now yoink, 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 yoink. And so yeah. Now one last thing. Let's add music. Let's go into sounds, and you can, if you haven't already have a sound from your backpack that if you don't have any sounds in your backpack, you should get one. But for me, I do, so I'm just gonna pull this one out. When green flag clicked, forever play sound until then. Oops.